Welcome to Bike Review Hub. Today, we bring you an exclusive look at the much-anticipated 2025 Honda Activa 7G. The Activa has been India's favorite scooter for years, and Honda has once again raised the bar with the new 7G model. Is it worth the upgrade? Let's find out. Design and styling. The Activa 7G sports a fresh and modern design with sharper lines and premium finishes. The LED headlamp and taillight have been redesigned for better visibility and aesthetics. The scooter now features stylish alloy wheels, adding a touch of sportness. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Activa 7G is powered by an advanced 110 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine, offering improved mileage and smoother performance. Honda's ESP, Enhanced Smart Power technology, ensures better fuel efficiency while reducing emissions. Expect a refined and vibration-free ride, perfect for city commuting. Features and technology. The 7G comes packed with new-age features. A fully digital instrument cluster now displays real-time mileage, service reminders, and Bluetooth connectivity for call and SMS alerts. Honda has also introduced smart key technology, allowing keyless ignition and remote lock or unlock. Comfort and ride quality. With a telescopic front suspension, the ride quality is more comfortable than ever, absorbing bumps with ease. The longer and wider seat ensures a relaxed riding posture, making it ideal for long commutes. Mileage and price. Expect an impressive mileage of around 55 to 60 km/h, making it one of the most fuel-efficient scooters in its class. As for pricing, Honda is expected to launch at around 85,000 to 90,000 Indian rupees, ex-showroom. Final verdict. The 2025 Honda Activa 7G is a fantastic upgrade, offering a stylish design, new-age features, and enhanced comfort. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed scooter, this might be your best choice. Outro. That's all for today's review. What do you think about the new Activa 7G? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Review Hub for more exciting updates. See you in the next video.